Hi, this is Chris, 24k on Instagram and 24k on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the ChargeTech 20,000 milliamp Powerpack. This has the ability to charge 3 devices simultaneously, QI wireless charging pad, that's right here, and 18-watt power delivery power bank. So it has that power delivery that's always elusive on the smaller power banks. This one has it. It's also fast wireless charging, and we'll show you that in just a moment. So going inside the box for some additional details, right here on the left, it shows you everything that the battery has to offer. You can pause the video anytime and take a look at that. Now we'll get to the battery itself. Oh, one quick thing, the cable that they've included is actually not an afterthought. It has metal ends right here to protect the connectors, and the cable itself is braided. So kudos to ChargeTech for that. Okay, here's the battery, 20,000 milliamps. As you can see, it has the landing zone for the QI wireless charging. It shows you the power level up here. When you turn it on, it shows you right there. It's ready to go. Here's some details on the back of the battery. And you can pause the video anytime to take a look at that. Now we'll take a look at all of the ports. So here is the USB Type A port right here. Here is the USB Type C port that has power delivery. This has quick charge technology in here. And then this is a micro USB port right there for charging the battery itself. So now let's get to trying out the quick wireless charging, or the fast wireless charging. This is a new phone from AT&T. I want to thank them for giving us the chance to use it for a little while. Fast wireless charging right there. So that's at 10 watts. Show that again. Fast wireless charging at 10 watts. So that's incredible. This is the Fan Edition 5G. And then we'll place it back on again. It's fully charged, but it would say fast charging as you saw before. So this is the ChargeTech 20,000 milliamp power pack. And it has all the technology you want. It has power delivery and quick charge technology. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.